If you connected your car to your iPhone in the past, or you connected another car to your iPhone in the past and you want to remove it, this video will help you do that. So this will work in cases where you connected your iPhone or your car using Bluetooth, or you connected it for CarPlay purposes using USB or Bluetooth. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to the Bluetooth section. And in this Bluetooth section, you want to search or look for your device, in this case your car that you want to remove. In this case, I found my car. I'll tap on this little I button and it'll bring up extra settings for that specific car. So you'll see settings like CarPlay, sync contacts, and device type, but also forget this device. Upon clicking on that, it will give me a confirmation dialog asking me if I want to do this action. So I'll tap on forget device and it'll remove it from Bluetooth. Removing it from Bluetooth will mean that next time you go into that car, it won't connect automatically and you will need to pair your device again. To remove it for CarPlay purposes, you can simply head over to the General page in the Settings app, tap on CarPlay, and again look for the car that you want to remove. And this time you will simply tap on it, and you will see a button called Forget this device. Clicking on this button will give you another confirmation dialog for if you want to forget it or not, and you will tap on Forget. Clicking on this button will not only remove your car from CarPlay but also Bluetooth.